5 stars. Yup, that's what the Tata Nexon scored at the Global NCAP. The day this news came out, I was proud, and honestly, the reason being the feeling of seeing an Indian car performance shine in the safety ratings at the Global NCAP, which tests their cars to the soul, and it isn't an easy one to score 5 stars in, but the Nexon did. Being a compact SUV and having design elements which are so attractive that one can't just take their eyes off it, a compact SUV according to Tata, which happens to be pretty capable as well. It's the car that has the potential to annihilate the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza from the Indian market. So let's get started with the Tata Nexon. Now, there are some unique design features on the Nexon that make it stand apart from other cars on the road. First of them being the Tri-Aero DRLs. The piano black auto fold rear view mirrors, the fog lamps provide you a great vision during turns. Then there is the floating roof in dual tone color. Taking practicality into consideration, the Nexon has 350 liters of boot capacity, which can be extended to 690 liters with the rear seats folded down, and the seats are split in 60:40 ratio, thus making them much more usable. Infotainment is necessary, and thus right in the middle of the dashboard you have the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Nexon isn't one of the normal cars which you see on the road. It has got different driving modes, namely Eco, City and Sports. Rear AC vents for the folks in the back. Multi-utility cooled glove box. Taking the driver comfort to another level is the center armrest, and just like a Rolls Royce, you get an umbrella holder. Now, that's what I call class. The Nexon has the option of a 6-speed automatic gearbox and a 6-speed manual. I am a manual guy and I will go with the manual any day. But what transmission will you choose to go with? Comment down below. Also, did you know that the Nexon comes with electronic stability control as standard? I bet you didn't. Well, now you know. Tata knows it for a fact that music is really important, and thus they provided an 8-speaker system in the Nexon, which is by Harman. The Nexon now also gets electric sunroof, which for sure make it much more desirable than it was previously. Real-time camera feed is a feature which we used to see on foreign cars all the times. No more worries, now even the Tata Nexon has got it. A ground clearance of 209 mm very well ensures that you don't stop on your path even if you face some bad roads. You just ride them through, the Nexon will take care of them. By now, you will be very impressed, but there is more. The Nexon now has also got voice recognition system that understands Hindi as well. But won't it be great if you could control your Nexon through your phone? Hey, wait, you can. With the IRA tech, you can control your Nexon through your phone. The Nexon is now compliant to BS6 emission norms, but it still retains that powerful engine which has a punchy performance. Because it has got 110 PS of power, which is plenty to enjoy on the Indian roads. Talking about the torque, the petrol one pumps out 170 Nm of torque and the diesel one pumps out 260 Nm of torque. I would go with the petrol one. What will you go with? Comment down below. On highways, you might often feel stressed out from keeping your hands on the steering wheel all the time. Well, my friend, Tata has got you covered now, because the Nexon has cruise control as well. So drive along, my friend, without worrying about the length of the journey. You know, when I saw the Nexon for the first time, my thoughts were something like this. Designed like a rhino, it looks tough. It looks like the bully you run from in the school. But at the same time, it looks like Superman in the form of a car. I mean, it's polarizing. The designers have done such a great job of blending in the aggression and the beauty of the car. Talking about the pricing of the Nexon, it's relatively affordable at just 8.21 lakhs on road for the base petrol XC variant, and the most expensive variant being the XZA Plus DT Diesel AMT, which would cost you about 15.21 lakhs on the road. That's the 7 lakh difference right there. So, the conclusion is this. The Nexon is a total value for money proposition for the features, the comfort, the engine and the capability it is offering. Compared to the segment leader Vitara Brezza, the Nexon is much more better and is much safer as well. Because if you know, you know. That will be all for the Tata Nexon. If you like this one, then please do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motordrift for more such content in the future. Also, join in the Motordrift community by clicking the links in the description below. Till then, ciao.